Keto Almond Flour English Muffin Recipe Low Carb. Are you craving a warm, buttery English muffin without the guilt? Look no further. Our 2-minute toasted keto almond flour English muffin is the perfect solution. It's soft and buttery on the inside, with a delightful crust on the outside. Plus, it's gluten-free and paleo-friendly. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons blanched almond flour, ½ teaspoon coconut flour, 1 large egg, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, ½ teaspoon baking powder. Instructions: 1. Melt the butter. In a microwave-safe ramekin, melt the unsalted butter. This will give our English muffin that rich, buttery flavor. 2. Mix the ingredients. Add the blanched almond flour, coconut flour, egg, sea salt, and baking powder to the melted butter. Mix everything together until well combined. 3. Cook the muffin. Microwave the ramekin on high for 2 minutes or until the top of the muffin is firm and springy to the touch. Alternatively, you can bake the almond flour English muffin in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, for about 12 to 15 minutes. 4. Release and toast. Run a knife along the edge of the ramekin to loosen the muffin. Flip the ramekin over onto a plate to release the muffin. Slice the muffin in half and toast it until golden brown. Serving size. This recipe makes one delicious low-carb English muffin. It's perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. If you're serving a crowd, simply multiply the ingredients accordingly. Enjoy! Whether you're following a keto lifestyle or just want a healthier alternative, this almond flour English muffin won't disappoint. Top it with your favorite spreads, such as sugar-free jam, cream cheese, or avocado. It's a satisfying way to start your day without compromising on taste or nutrition.